Okay, so here is our first video summary of what we're doing here today. And today, on August 26th, we talked about translations. And the translation was our first transformation, and that it took an object or shape on the coordinate plane and it slid it into a new location. We just moved it, pushed it right through. And we had two different ways of doing this. We had our coordinate notation, which is already up here, where it tells you x, y, we add 1 to the x, and we subtract 3 from the y. And we're going to use that coordinate notation in these original points, A 4, 2, B 3, 7, and C 6, 8, to help us write the matrix equation, which is probably the more difficult portion of this lesson. So remember, we had 3 matrices we had to fill in. The first one was the vertex matrix, our original points. And we just put x on top and y on the bottom. So 4, 2, 3, 7, and 6, 8. After that, we go to our translation matrix. This is what explains how it's changing, where it's going, what's happening to it. And we're going to use our coordinate notation for that. It tells us that we're adding 1 to x and subtracting 3 from y. Remember, x goes on top of the matrix, y goes on bottom. So we're just going to put a 1 in for each of these in the x and a -3 for each of the y's. Remember, your translation matrix should look the same in the top row and the bottom row. We add those up with matrix addition and we match up our corresponding pieces. So top left and top left, middle and middle, top right, to come up with our new image, the final product of our translation. 4 plus 1, 5, 4, 7, -1, and 4, and 5. And those are our new ordered pairs. And what you can see is that our new point A prime is 5, -1. B prime has been translated and turned into 4, 4. And C prime has been translated and turned into 7, 5. So when you see these and when you work on them, remember the addition and the math is not that hard. Understanding the coordinate notation and how that can help you write the matrix equation, those are going to be the important pieces. So hopefully this was helpful, and as you review, you're ready to go. Thanks, and see you next time.